All right, we're here. It's a sunny day. Okay, let's reset. We're all ready to. Go to my back. Okay. Okay. So today we're going to be making a couple vegan-friendly dishes. So the first thing we're going to do is breakfast. So we're going to make a smoothie bowl. Thank you to those that suggested this in my Instagram comments. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our frozen fruit. So we've got some frozen bananas, we've got some frozen peach and frozen mangoes, and we're going to put them in a blender. And to start, just a tiny bit of almond milk. You can also use water if you like, or any other substitute milk, or if you're not vegan, milk. Put the blender on, and we're going to turn it on, and so you want a nice thick consistency like that. You can get a little thicker, a little thinner, however you prefer. Make it nice and flat. Let's use some banana, a couple blackberries, a kiwi, and let's use some dragon fruit. Healthy and delicious. We got potassium, we got whatever the hell's in kiwis, we got our antioxidants in the blackberries. So we're gonna be making a Spanish-inspired salad. It's got olives, orange, onion, and arugula. Sounds kind of weird, but I think you're gonna love it. You can use lettuce, but I like using arugula. We're gonna get a red onion and thinly slice it. Then we're gonna get an orange. Now we're gonna get a blood red orange to add a little color as well. Oh, look at that. Now we're gonna get some Kalamata olives and sprinkle them on top. And some toasted almonds. So before we get into the dressing, you can make this ahead of time, put it in the fridge, and then when it's ready to go, you want to just sprinkle the dressing on top. You probably want to do the almonds afterwards as well. So we prep everything but the almonds in the dressing, do a little drizzle at the end, and then it's ready to serve. And for the dressing, it's super simple. It's just olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, and just a splash of orange juice, preferably fresh orange juice. So we're gonna start with olive oil. All right, so just give it a couple glugs. Just before equal parts red wine vinegar. Just a squirt of orange juice. Little pepper, little salt. Okay. Once this quarantine is all over, perfect summer salad to make for a party. What is this, ice? Oh, Aperol on ice, okay. All right, after all, we've made our salad, we've made our smoothie, and now it's time to kick back, relax, and make a little Aperol Spritz. And we've got our Prosecco here. Aperol Spritz is a popular summer drink. Aperol is a Italian liqueur. And so we got a little Prosecco here. And we've got a shot here, but we're just gonna free pour like the Americans do. Stay home. Stay at your home.